of Christian era. It's a very unique period of human history. There's no parallel in the whole human history. You go and read the whole human history, world history. Such a profound century in which such big events took place. There's no parallel. Two great powers, two great wars, World War. How much havoc was played? Destruction. Countries devastated, crores killed. Number two, two great empires vanished. In the early part of this 20th century, great Ottoman Empire vanished from the map of the world. The last part, the great Soviet Union, just vanished. After some years, the students will feel it difficult to find where on the map this great superpower on earth used to be. The maps will be changed. They will have to refer to some old atlases. Now, from my point of view, these are two examples. I have told you the most profound century of the human history. But from the point of view of my discussion, in this century, the second downfall of both the ummahs reached its lowest zenith also. But then a third upward movement of the both ummahs started in this very century. And there is going to be a clash indeed between these two ummahs. And that is going to decide the fate of this world.